Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro. Alright, let's begin. There are two easy ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro. The first method is using the buttons. Simply press the side button and the volume up button at the same time, then quickly release both buttons. The screen will flash and a screenshot will get captured. Here, select the Save button and then choose Photos to save it. The second method is using Backtap. Open Settings, then go to Accessibility, Touch, and scroll down to Backtap. Choose either Double Tap or Triple Tap, then select Screenshot from the list of actions. Once it's enabled, simply tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times, depending on the option you selected, and your iPhone will instantly capture a screenshot without using the button. So that's basically how you can take a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro. That's it for this video, thanks!